Rabbit jump crawls up to his baby llama.
What the?
Llamas.
Oh, no, don't skip it. Llama, red pajama, weeping. You missed it. Turn the page again. Nope, other way. There you go.
Llama,
Whimpers softly.
Where is Mama? Baby llama.
Here's the
Telephone.
baby llama starts to moan.
No. Llama, red pajama.
Listen.
Listens quietly for his mama. Baby llama.
What is Mama?
Mama doing? Baby mama starts boo-hooing. Oh, now he's angry.
He's upset. Yes.
Why is he so sad?
Because he wants his mommy. Llama, red